Well, Professor, what is the rain?
The rain, not understood. It's something that we have to understand. Because we don't understand, not something if you don't have umbrella. While you bagno, you get wet until midnight. And they come the fly. And you stayed all night long wet, and your wife says, what are you doing?
Well, Professor, can we go more on the track? Can you give me more details about
the rain? Not sure. It's something that we don't understand, because if you do something good, it's bad. If you do something wrong, it's rain anyway. Not sure, there are 14 days it's raining. Not sure.
Well, Professor, it's not only something about Molignana understood. There's something else in the rain. The rain and the situation. It's something that we don't understand, because the thinking of the relationship between the sky and the land, the earth, in which one, if you miss around the tomatoes, it's coming make to fire pomerol gazards. And you eat macaroni special from Italy. Well, Professor, this is something we are going too much in a special recipe, but do you have a recipe for the rain?
The rain? It's something that's like to play music. When you don't have the instrument, you go to some beautiful girl, and we know who is that girl, and you ask, can you give me just a moment your umbrella, because I want to go walk under the rain, and I feel happy, I feel in love with this beautiful girl.
And please, Professor, can you tell us more about this girl?
This girl? She's a beautiful girl with umbrella, she's singing everywhere. But unfortunately, I'm married and I cannot go with her.
Well, Professor, maybe I can invite this girl.
Stay frisk. It's not possible, because this girl, it belongs to me in my desire. She sings very good.
Professor, but you are married.
This is my occasion to share with her the umbrella and the chair.
Well, Professor, okay. It was very nice, very short interview. Thank you very much for your opinion, and see you later.
Thank you very much. The chair and the umbrella and the weather and the rain. Nice.